Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the simple steps to log in Infinity Finance, your gateway to managing your finances hassle-free. Whether you are a seasoned user or just getting started, I have got you covered. So let's dive right in. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice, make sure it is up and running. Next, in the address bar, type Infinity Finance Login. Here, you get to see the Infinity Finance login and registration help, so click in it. Here, you get to see the login register option. Click in this option. Now, you will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your username in this field and password in this field. Make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, double check to ensure they are accurate. Once you are certain, click on the login option. Once you are logged in, you can access all the features and functionalities offered by the Infinity Finance to manage your finances efficiently. So this is the way to log in the Infinity Finance. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.